Continuing with Halachot and Siman Samach Bet Siv Gimel, we're talking about now something very interesting where we just spoke about the clothing, that you're supposed to put on very special clothing for Lichvot Shabbat Kodesh, and now Maram brings down V'yismach beviyat Shabbat ki yotze likrat hamelech v'chayotze likrat chatam v'kala, which means that just like when you go to a wedding, you come and you see everyone jolly, everyone all happy, so too is the exact same way that we're supposed to be when we're accepting upon ourselves the Shabbat. And that's why we actually have to be very, very happy. It's a very joyous thing. It's not supposed to be sad, but rather very, very v'simcha. Now he says it brings down, this is obviously based upon the Rashi and the Kuf Yutet in Shabbat, where we're talking about that Rabbi Chanina used to be mitatef b'vigdei Shabbat before Knisat Shabbat, and then he used to say, Bo v'netzeh likrat Shabbat HaMalkah, and that's also Rabbi Yanai. He used to put on b'vigdei Shabbat beforehand, and you say, Boi chala, and that's what we actually do. So the Rambam actually says that he writes that the person should be mitatef b'tzitiv yoshe bechoved rosh, right? We know that the Temanim and others, they actually put on tzitzit on the nighttime of Shabbat. They put on a talit. So here he brings down mitatef b'tzitiv yoshev bechoved rosh miachel לקבלת פני שבת כמו שהוא יוצא לקראת המלך. והחכמים הראשונים היו מקבצים תלמידיהם בערב שבת מתעטפים ואומרים בואו ונצא לקראת שבת המלך. So here it's something very interesting. Did you realize that the Rambam wrote down it has to be bechoved rosh? Now why is it? Because many times we actually see it's a little bit of a stira. Mitzad echad it has to be besimcha. But then you come and you see certain people that their simcha turns into holelut, which means it becomes lightheadedness. So therefore, mitzad echad, 100% it has to be besimcha, but mitzad sheni, it also has to be bechoved rosh. It has to be you're coming in front of a king, which means you want to be happy, we have to be happy. We have Shabbat coming, the chatan and the kala, everything that you want. But mitzad sheni, we also need to have this koved rosh, because if not, at the end of the day, it's a kavod malchut, and you cannot come and start being mizalzel and disgracing the kavod malchut. So therefore, we actually have both aspects together, the vegilu birada, if you remember we once spoke about, which means that yes, B'ezrat Hashem, we're coming to Shabbat, we're all happy, we're rejoicing at Shabbat, but mitzad sheni, there also always has to be a certain type of koved rosh, right, that it shouldn't be lightheadedness, that they're very, very wild or things like that. No, it has to be at the end of the day that we're coming towards a king.